To start with the new Turnitin, go to Add Existing, select Turnitin. Once it's loaded, you can make this window slightly bigger, reposition it, and this will give you a better experience. Give it a name. You can add optional instructions. If you are using a template, please upload the template. This will make sure that the template is excluded from the plagiarism score. You are required to give it a start date, a due date, and a feedback release date. You are also required to give it maximum points for the assessment. You can also attach a rubric here. Here we have our submission settings about allowing late submissions and allowing resubmissions until the due date, and even allowing unsupported file types. However, this will not check for plagiarism on these file types, so we would rather you use a Brightspace assignment. Let's actually go to the rubric manager here. So if you've used rubrics in the past, they will not immediately show up. Don't worry, we will actually be able to import them. There will also be an option for institutional rubrics. However, we do not have any, so this will be empty. And there will be some standard rubrics that Turnitin themselves have created. Just head back to My Rubrics and choose Launch Rubric Manager. This is the bit here where you'll be able to import your past rubrics from the old Turnitin. If you click this button, it will start the import. It will take a couple of minutes and it will bring over all of your old rubrics. Oh, there we go. It actually just went green there, and it will have pulled in any rubrics that I would have had. So if you've not created a rubric, you can start from here and just choose to create one from scratch. This is your report settings. So this is where our submissions are stored, whether they're going to go into the repository to be checked for plagiarism, or if they are not, you would choose this option for a resubmission, this for the first submission. When the report will be generated, which is at the time or just on the due date, and allowing students to see it or not. And then you've got any exclusions that you may need to add, like excluding the bibliography, any quoted materials, or small matches. So let's choose to create my assignment. So my assignment is now just at the bottom of my area that I've created. And I'm just going to full screen this here just to make it easier to visualize as it loads. And here we have a disclaimer that we will need to review before we can get any AI scores. So only need to do this once, so it's just the first time. So you will view the disclaimer and then you will accept it based on being able to view the AI score. All that does is affect your view of the AI score. It will still determine an AI score, it will just blur it out so that you can't see it. And this is the new student inbox here.